In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Microsoft Forms with answers. We will build a quiz that can grade itself, so every response gets scored for you automatically as soon as it is submitted. To start, create a new quiz. Go to Microsoft Forms in your browser and sign in with your account. On the main page, select New Quiz, not New Form, so you get grading features. At the top of the quiz editor, enter a clear title and, if you like, a short description that explains what the quiz is about. You will see that Microsoft Forms saves your work automatically as you type, so there is no separate save button to worry about. Now add your first question. Click Add New. A panel of options appears with several question types you can choose from. For most quizzes, choice is useful for multiple choice questions, text works for typed answers, and rating can collect star-style ratings. Date lets people pick a calendar date, ranking lets them order items, and Likert is for agree or disagree scales. Click the type you need, then enter your question text, and if needed, add answer choices in the boxes that appear underneath. Next, mark the correct answer for choice questions. Enter all the answer options first so you see the full list. Then click the correct answer checkmark beside the option that should be graded as right. If your question has more than one correct answer, turn on multiple answers so respondents can select more than one choice. After that, mark each correct option with the same checkmark. As you do this, a small label appears showing which ones are set as correct. With your answers marked, assign points to the question. Select the question so its toolbar is active, then find the points field. Enter the number of points it is worth, for example 1 point for an easy question or 5 for a harder one. Microsoft Forms uses these points to calculate quiz scores automatically when someone submits, and the total score updates based on the sum of all your questions. After that, configure your quiz settings. Open Settings to see your options. Here you can choose who can respond, such as only people in your organization or anyone with the link. You can also control whether respondents can see the correct answers after submitting, which affects how useful the quiz is for practice. Set start and end dates if you want the quiz only open during a specific time window, and turn response notifications on if you want an email when someone completes it. At this point, test your quiz. Click Preview to see it from the respondent view. Answer the questions as if you were taking the quiz, then click Submit. After submitting, verify that Microsoft Forms marks the correct answers and calculates the score correctly on the summary page, so you know grading will behave as expected. Now share the quiz. Click Collect Responses to open the Share panel. You can copy a link, generate a QR code, send the quiz by email, or grab an embed code. Respondents can open that on a computer or a mobile device, and the layout adjusts automatically for smaller screens. Finally, review the results. Open your quiz again and select the Responses tab at the top. Here you can see the number of responses, individual scores, and charts that summarize each question. If you want to analyze or archive data, click Open in Excel to export all results into a spreadsheet, where each row is one respondent and each column is a question. You have now created a Microsoft Forms quiz with correct answers, automatic grading, and exportable results. If this helped you get your quiz working, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.